Now let us consider another problem. Of projecting a body from one planet to another planet. This time the masses are different and the radii are also different. Suppose the planets are A and B. A has a mass 9 m, radius 3r. B has a mass 4 m, radius 2r. Suppose the distance between their centers is 10r. We want to project a body of mass small m from planet A to planet B. What should be the velocity required? The velocity required should be sufficient to reach the neutral point. How to find the neutral point? If you have got two bodies of different masses, m1 and m2, then the distances from the neutral point r1 and r2 will be in the ratio under root m1 by m2. So here it is 9 by 4 root 9 m by 4 m. This will give you 3 by 2. The total distance 10r should be divided in the ratio 3:2. That is, from here it is 6r, from here it is 4r. So the neutral point is at a distance 6r from the center of A and at a distance 4r from the center of B. Suppose a body of mass small m is projected from B. Here we have to consider the total energy present. After that we have to consider the total energy present at N. The total energy present at P consists of three components. One is the kinetic energy of the body, half mv square. Second one is the potential energy due to the planet A, that is minus g 9m into m by 3r. The third component is due to the potential energy of planet B. Planet center of planet B is at a distance 7r from the point P, because total distance is 10r. From this, if you subtract 3r, it will become 7r. So that is minus g 4m into small m by 7r. This is the total energy at the point P. Now let us consider the total energy at N. By the time the body reaches N, its velocity tends to be 0. So at N, there will be only two components. Each one is the potential energy due to planet A and the other due to the planet B. So the potential energy due to the planet A is minus g 9m into small m, but this distance is how much? 6r. The potential energy at N due to the planet B is minus g 4m into small m, by this distance is 4r. On equating these two, half mv square minus g 9m into m by 3r minus g 4m into m by 7r is equal to minus g 9m into m by 6r minus g 4m into m by 4r. We can cancel m throughout, then half v square is equal to, we are sending these two terms to this side, then we get it as, and we can take g m by r also common. So the first term is minus 9 by 6, second term is minus 4 by 4. This will go to that side, it will become third term, that is 9 by 3. This will become the fourth term, that is 4 by 7. This can also be written as gm by r minus 3 by 2 is 1.5 minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 by 7. 3 minus 2.5 is 0.5, that can be written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 4 by 7, LCM is 14, 7 plus 8, 15. 15gm by 14r. So half v square is equal to 15gm by 14r. So v square is equal to 15gm by 7r. V is equal to whole under root 15gm by 7r. Now you can find with what velocity it will reach the planet B. To find the velocity with which it reaches the planet B, suppose the velocity is v1. So the total energy at the surface of B must be made equal to the total energy present at N. Suppose this point is Q. At Q, the total energy, suppose the body reaches with a velocity v1. So total energy is half mv1 square minus the potential energy due to A is G 9m into m by the distance of this surface from the center of this one. That is how much? 8r. Total distance is 10r. So this is 2r. So 10r minus 2r will give you 8r. Gmm by 8r minus the potential energy due to the planet B is minus G 4m into m by this distance is 2r. Now we can equate the energy at Q with the energy at N. So half m v1 square minus 9 g m by 8r minus g r minus 4 g m by 2r, that's equal to minus 9g m by 6r minus 4g m by 4r. You can cancel m throughout and send these two terms to the side. So half v1 square is equal to, we can take gm by r common, bracket. This is the first term, minus 9 by 6. This is the second term, minus 4 by 4. This is the third term, plus 9 by 8. This is the fourth term, plus 4 by 2. So that is gm by r, bracket, minus 3 by 2, minus 1, plus 9 by 8, plus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 3 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So we have gm by r bracket 9 by 8 minus half is equal to half v1 square. So LCM is 8. 9 minus 4, that is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into gm by r. 2 half and 2 will get cancelled here. So v1 square is equal to 5 by 4 gm by r, or v1 is equal to under root 5 by 4 gm by r. So the velocity with which body reaches the planet B is under root 1.25 gm by r or under root 5 gm by 4r. Suppose we want to project this body from B to reach A. Can you guess what should be the velocity here? Same. With what velocity it will reach A? This one. I hope it is clear to you.